Hello everyone. For today's video, we are going to discuss how to design a proper letter using design thinking 5-pillar based curriculum. So let us get into the video.
So I am going to give an introduction about letter writing. The letter writing is a thing that which we write to someone to explain or show what we face or we need to express. So we are here to explain it in base of DT based curriculum. So here we go.
I will be explaining the emphasis part. Before writing a letter, we should understand that the user need. We should not. We should know about their feelings. Then we will be writing about their right based on what they need, not our own.
So narrow down your focus. A letter that tries to say everything ends up saying nothing. So to solve this, we need to create a problem statement for our letter. The content, define your mission. The goal, the main purpose should be insisted on that, and so on. It should be fully based on the problem statement.
Okay. So you have said to apologize, right? So can you please give me an example for a letter of apology?
We can start the letter with I kindly apologize for the inconvenience occurred. The example you can start with that.
Okay, that's a good example. Okay, let's continue.
And now we will be seeing about the idea. Before we process, just generate ideas freely. Like we should write about the jokes or about our structures. Don't worrying about the grammatic structures, and we will be choosing the most best and memorable moment for them.
Okay, that's a good thing. Okay,
So
what about others?
And the next process is to do a prototype. A prototype is nothing but do a draft about it. So to start up a particular thing, first we need to do a draft regarding that. So collect the ideas and the reasons you want to write for it, and start implementing that informations in the right manner and right way, and don't expect for a proper perfection. Just aim for the content should be neat and clear.
Yes, the problem with students these days are they aim for perfection from the first time itself. So it is actually okay to go for something that is good in your own way. You can actually develop gradually, but students are actually not okay with being imperfect in their letter writing. So our suggestion is to go for something that they are convenient with and they can gradually improve their letter writing skills.
So don't aim for perfection, just start doing it.
Before sending the letter, we must testing the letter. Do the testing the letter. Before in this process, we'll be reading our letter. That if you have any mistakes, you can edit it before sending it.
Yes, editing is actually a good option. While you are writing it, it is not possible, but it is also possible for you to have a rough draft, and you can correct it by using an AI companion or a professor or a guide, whoever you are comfortable with, and you can have it. You can have the fact copy afterwards. When it is in mail, when you are doing it in your system or with your mobile phone, you can have editing options, and there are so many editing tools that can help you with your grammar and correct sentence formations. This is actually a good way to improve your letter writing skills.
Now let us all discuss about the examples of few letters. First, let's go on apology letter. To start an apology letter, we may use I kindly apologize for the inconvenience that occurred due to something. And this is the thing how you will write it in an apology letter. And next, coming to the informal letter, like example, you may write to your relatives, friends, and etc. So you may start the letter with first of all by greeting them by like saying hi, hello, and wish and asking about their well-beings and etc. So the next, my friends will tell about the formal letter.
For the formal letter, we will be using this is to bring your kind attention, and this is to inform you. So we will be using this to writing in the formal letter.
Yes, there are so many formats in letter writing. There are formal situations, informal situations, there are so many kinds. And the students need to know the right way and right format to write in the right kind of letter. So this is important for the students to know the right format. It is available in so many online websites and so many notebooks, textbooks are also available. Still students have to learn how to know how to write the right format. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much.